Welcome to the Generic Tech Support YouTube channel. By watching this channel, you are accepting that the content on this channel is intended for educational purposes only. We strive to provide valuable information to help you enhance your technical understanding. We do not condone the use of pirated software. Please respect local copyright laws and support software developers by using legitimate purchased products. All testing conducted on this channel is done in compliance with the Consumer Review Fairness Act and the United States Fair Use Act under Copyright Law, Section 107 of the U.S. Copyright Act. We aim to provide honest reviews, security configuration tricks, tips, and how-tos. While we make every effort to deliver 100% tested solutions, we acknowledge that we don't know everything. If you have additional insights or corrections, please share them in the comments. Like and subscribe to keep up with the latest OS reviews and security tips. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content.
Oh man, I hate the right-click menu on Windows 11. I wish I could change it to look like Windows 10. So if you're like everybody else, when you right-click inside of Windows 11 and you see this option now for more options, you find it infuriating because Microsoft changed the right-click menu that has been around since really like Windows 95. So I'm going to show you how to fix this in one line. So I'm going to show you on the screen inside of the notepad exactly what that line is. And I suggest that you pause the video and maybe write this down somewhere. Or if you want, you could visit my YouTube channel and you could grab this information off the wiki. The link is in the description on the YouTube channel. Okay, so let's assume that you have this already written down. What are we going to do now? What we're going to do is we're going to actually go to Start. We're going to do CMD. We're going to right-click on this and choose Run as Administrator, or just click Run as Administrator on the menu on the right. When you get prompted by UAC, just click Yes to continue. Once you get to the command line as Administrator, you're going to just copy the data that's in here. And you could highlight this and right-click and choose Copy. And then go down here and just right-click to paste the data in. Once you have it pasted, just hit Enter on your keyboard. You'll see the operation completed successfully. Now we're going to reboot, and we'll get the old classic Start menu back. So there we go, Windows just came back up. So now if we right-click, we could choose any of the original menu context items that existed in Windows 10, Windows 7, and so on and so forth, all the way back to Windows 95. Now keep in mind, this is an HKey current user, which means that you'll have to run the same command on any other user that logs into this particular system. All right, guys, thanks for watching.